The Bermuda Triangle, a vortex of energy deadly to mankind. Why? Because it is utterly, incredibly stupid! This moronic area causes unmitigated stupidity to everything in its perimeter. This morning, the scientists have observed the triangle beginning to move. For the first time in history, the Bermuda Triangle is shifting its position and headed straight for New York City!
Wake up! You're late for your date!
Ouch! How about a gentle ding-ding next time?
Life's tough, Pally.
You can say that again, Clarence.
Life's tough, Pally.
Today's my big date with Candy. Man, what a pippin'. It was tough, but I finally talked her into a date. Ratzenheimer, I'm supposed to meet her in 5 minutes. Felix, you look like $1,000,000. Thanks, Felix. Wish me luck, man. Poor Mook don't stand a chance.